everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I wanted to do a what sold video for you guys of just a couple days of sales on eBay and Poshmark. And I do sell on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, and Etsy, and sometimes Facebook Marketplace. But in the last couple days I've only had sales on eBay and Poshmark. So I thought I would show you guys the things that I'm getting ready to ship out today. And I'll just let you guys know the prices. And I have a couple of things that are a little bit interesting that I thought I would show you. A couple of brands that I haven't really sold before to look out for. And I'll just talk to you guys a little bit about that. I don't have a lot of sales. How many things did I have? On eBay, I sold 3 items. And on Poshmark, I think I sold 4. Of course, my app doesn't want to work now. Poshmark, I sold 4. So I'll let you guys know what I sold the items for. I didn't put together a spreadsheet with everything for this video, but I'll give you a rough estimate of what I paid for each item. But basically this will just be gross sales. But I do try to make at least $20 per item usually. I don't like to spend more than a couple dollars per piece, but there's some of these pieces that I did pay up for, and I will let you guys know about that. Yeah, anyway, so let's get right into the video. First, I'll show you guys my Poshmark sales, and I was really excited. Today I got an offer for $75 on this really beautiful macrame Cleo Bella purse. This is an adorable purse. This is the front. This is brand new, and it's not a real large purse, but it still has the stuff on here. This I bought from TJ Maxx quite a while back. I bought a bunch of items, which is interesting. This haul, I've got 2 of the items sold this week in the last couple days that I had gotten from them. This I paid up for. I do think I probably I really paid up for this. I never purchased this brand before, and I looked up comps for this purse originally, and there was really good comps. I want to say over $100. So I was like, well, I'll pick it up because I was buying some other pieces that were pretty decent prices that I knew I could get some good profit from. And this particular purse, I can't remember exactly if I paid $30 or $40 for it, which is a lot. But I finally sold it today for $75. So I think after fees, it was $60. So I didn't really make a lot on it. But I was really happy to finally sell it because I've had it for, I would say, at least 6 months, maybe 8 or 9. Maybe more. It's been a long time, guys. I've had this a long time, but I was really happy to sell it because I'm I want that money back. So I don't think I made a whole lot, maybe 20, maybe more, but I can't remember exactly. I have to look at my spreadsheet because it's been so long. But I was really excited to sell that. That was new, and I did get that from TJ Maxx online. They have sales and stuff like that on the tjmaxx.com, and I picked that up, and I think it was on sale or clearance. And this other piece, I will show you, it's sold on eBay, but I'm going to show you after I show you all the Poshmark items that, something that sold from that same haul. And I do believe that I have a video. I'll try to link it somewhere in this video of the haul of those items from TJ Maxx. But several that the pieces have sold, so it was really exciting to get 2 sales from that haul. Finally, I'm starting to make some profit. Sometimes I make bad buys, guys. Okay, so this I sold on Poshmark. This is just a Venus. It's a 1-size swim cover-up dress. It's ruched. It's really slinky, soft material. Obviously, someone's getting this because they're either going on a vacation or they're looking forward to the summertime. This sold for $18. So I got $14.40 from Poshmark for that, and I think I only spent about $2 on that. Okay, so these are a pair of Mother jeans. They are a bleached jean. Okay, so guys, this is what these are. Okay, if you look close, you will be able to see up here, there is weird marks, okay? These were bleach dyed by Moi. I don't think it smells like bleach anymore, thankfully. I got these in a liquidation lot haul. Maybe it's from B&G Trading. I had purchased some pieces from them that were like flawed pieces. And I've had this a long time, and they're raw hem. They were cute, but because of the flaw, which I did note that, because of that, I knew I had to do something with them if I was going to sell them, because no one's going to buy them like that. So I decided to bleach them, and that's what I did. I actually bleached these, which gave them this pinkish watermelon-y color. And these sold for, let's see, $20. So I got $16. So I'm hoping that the person realizes that these marks here, I hope they read the description, because I did put everything in the description. But I was happy to get rid of these. I probably spent between $3 and $6, but I've had those a long time. Okay, so this next item I want to show you guys, and this isn't like a huge, you know, what sold video, it's just a couple days, but this is a brand I never heard of before. I was at Goodwill just the other day, and I came across this in the athletics section, and I never heard of the brand, but they were really soft, like legging joggers, and they're kind of like almost like reminds me of Moto. They're really soft, and so I was like, man, I wonder what those are. So I looked them up, and they sell really well. They're called Fleo, I guess. They're size medium. These sold the day I listed them for $55 on Poshmark. I listed them for $65. Someone sent me, I think, a $55 offer or something like that, and I accepted, and I could not believe they sold. I also have a blue pair. Someone actually she bundled both of them and sent me like $75 offer for both, but I did not accept the $75 offer because I just listed them, and I was like, these must be pretty good. So I countered with like 90, and she never responded back, and then someone went and bought the green ones. So that was exciting. I hope that they love them. There aren't a lot listed on either platform, and I think they must be just a really desirable brand. I never heard of them, but that's a bolo, guys. So after fees and everything, I think I'll be walking away with about $35 profit. So I paid $5.99 for them, I think. So that's everything on Poshmark. Now I'm going to show you the few things I sold on eBay. Not a lot, but I will show you them. This is like a crocheted, reminds me of doily, little, you know, little bolero top or whatever. Brand is not important. This is vintage. That's why I picked it up. I paid $2 for this, and this sold for $20 plus shipping on eBay. And anything kind of like that kind of style, or like Y2K, is really in right now, and I've been selling really well. So, okay, the next item I paid $2, I think, for these shoes. They're Merrell's, and they are an older Merrell, I think. I think this is wool, and I actually bought these at what do you call it? An estate sale in a barn. So the bombs are kind of dirty, but not bad. Few little rocks and pebbles and stuff in them. But I photographed all that because I really don't clean stuff. I just don't. These sold for, let's see, they sold for $24.99 plus shipping on eBay. So I was happy to get rid of those. I've recently sold a couple of pairs of shoes, and I don't have a ton of shoes listed, but shoes just never sell that great for me. I don't know why. So I was really excited to get rid of these. I spent $2 on them, and making 24 bucks, 25 bucks is awesome. Now the last piece is something that was a really great sale. If I can figure out how to put a stock photo somewhere, I will. I just use very basic editing stuff, so I don't know if I'll be able to figure that out, but if I'm able to, I will put that up. Otherwise, I will just show you this. I don't want to pull it out of here because it is brand new. This is White Palms Kimono. This was also an item I got at TJ Maxx. Hold on, guys. I actually might pull it out of this. unless I photographed it in. No, I didn't. Okay, I am going to pull it out and show you. Because honestly, I bought this from TJ Maxx, and I don't want them to know that I bought it at TJ Maxx. Because this bag says TJ Maxx on it. This was originally a $160 kimono. And it is beautiful. It is this beautiful Farm Rio kimono. It's got this crocheted back. It's so gorgeous, guys. It's beautiful. I did use stock photos for this, and I think these are butterflies on the edge. You can see. I'm gonna put this together really nicely, package it really nice, because I don't want anything to happen to it. I paid, I think, $20 for this kimono on TJ Maxx. I bought a couple of them, and I think I bought 2 or 3. I think one sold. I think I bought 3. I think I have a small left, and this was a large. It sold for $130 on eBay. Someone paid outright for it, plus shipping. I was so excited. I could not believe it. And it came at the best time because it happened yesterday. And when I got home last night or after work yesterday, there was water all over our basement. One of the water lines broke, and there was water like everywhere. And we had to call a plumber, and he came out and he fixed it really super quick and fast. But that's probably going to take all my $130. So, but I'm thankful for it. I'm really thankful that I sold it, and it was great timing to sell it. Anyway, so that was awesome. $130 on one piece does not happen that often for me. So that was really exciting. I was really happy about that sale. And I think that's everything. That's everything that sold for me in the last 2 days. I'm hoping that I can get at least one more sale today. Poshmark, I'm getting like 1 or 2 sales a day. I am relisting a lot because I have not had the motivation, honestly. I've been going through a lot. My life has been pretty crazy recently. And I have not had the motivation to take photographs. So I have just been like deleting, like I've been using lists. I use lists perfectly. And what I've been doing is just copying, you know, my listings from Poshmark to relist on Poshmark, because the copy feature on Poshmark is not the same. It's not like a new listing. So what I do is I go through and I choose pieces that I want to like relist, like as a new listing. And what I end up doing is I just copy from Poshmark to Poshmark, and that makes it really, really easy and simple. I usually will try to list a couple new items on eBay, but I'm not super worried about eBay because Poshmark I'm still selling, you know. Right now my eBay room is in pretty bad disarray. I have a lot of work to do in this room, and I have not had the motivation recently to get too much done. So I have been doing that. If you don't use like a cross-posting not app, but service, it's really, really beneficial. I've noticed that it's just so much easier. I've listed some stuff on Etsy, and I've sold 2 items on Etsy. I sold a vintage denim skirt for $50 on Etsy. $50. I'm like, $50? That's awesome. That was like a couple weeks ago. And then I just recently sold a vintage dress for $35 on Etsy. So that's pretty awesome. Anyway, guys, yeah, if you don't have a cross-posting service that you use, you really should try it out. I recommend it. It's worked really well for me. But anyway, I don't have like any discount codes or anything for you guys, but it's just, I really, really like it. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me for this video and listening to me go on and on. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see when I post new content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!